Are you looking to make good software? Or are you tired of 6+ meetings of your agile wannabe manager of the team force you to do it? And or maybe you're a 10x engineer, 2 times developer, again developer, weeb, a hacker.
The Marxists, the anarchists, the agitators, the looters.
And you really want something faster. Well, you came to the right place. Introducing the GoHor methodology. What is GoHor methodology? You might ask. So I'm gonna answer to you. GoHor is the unofficial philosophy many development teams in Brazil follow, but few have courage to admit. I know it because I worked for 10 years in Brazil, and any other methodology you might think that they use there, Agile, Waterfall, forget about it. They don't use any of this. They just use GoHor because the simplest way to put stuff in production. So it is revolutionary method. There is no room for meticulous planning or exhaustive reviews. Well, I'm gonna add here meetings as well. Yeah, I'm gonna add meetings as well. And here the objective is singular: make it work and make it quick. And if it doesn't work, well, this is a problem for future you, because I'm gonna put the code in production and you have to fix it. I don't mind. So what is the principles of GoHor? So you aren't gonna need it times 11,000. So with GoHor, you just not gonna need it. You even gonna think about it. So like you're not gonna even think about the things that you don't need. You're just gonna do it straight away. That's it. And this with additional brutal, keep it simple, right? So if the solution works, no matter how ugly it is, no matter how spaghetti the code it is, no matter how fragile the software presents to you, it's valid. It looks good to me and goes straight to production. And fail fast, fail often, fail forward. Fail, fail, fail. If you're going to fail anyway, let's do this quickly and let's do this often and find a way to shift the blame. I think Mark Zuckerberg actually, he copied the principles of GoHor and apply on Facebook when he started to do this, when he started to do his company. And let's go through the methodology because I really wanted to show you guys how simple it is and how nice and fast it is, way better than Agile. So let's go here. So you're going to start your process of coding, and then you think about it and you start coding. You're like, okay, so you start doing the way it's already being done, right? So you're just gonna do it, and you're gonna look at the code and ask, did it work? Well, if it worked, finally, you go straight to production. If it didn't work, you ask yourself, or you look into your Kanban board, has the deadline has passed? If no, okay, did it work? Yes, so finished. If not, you ask again, has the deadline passed? Until you get the moment that maybe the deadline has passed, and then you just leave the way it is. It's just that simple, doesn't need to do anything else. Look how easy it is. Look how fast it is. It's way better, guys. Come on. But then this begs the question, is GoHor Agile? Is this Agile? You may ask, and I'm gonna answer to you. Yes, it is Agile. Because you are delivering Agile things, it's just delivering fast, right? Well, I can't say more than that. And this is more faster than Agile. So for me, it looks like Agile. So it looks good to me. So yeah. So what is the advantage of GoHor? So we keep talking about planning, story points, and all of these meetings because to make sure that we have a good development flow and keep the things in a way that we can review the code, make the code a little bit better and cleaner and easier to read, whatever. So what are the advantages of GoHor in comparison to Agile? So first of all is speed, right? So why waste time refactoring when you can be writing new bugs to fix later? Come on. Adrenaline. Each development is a new adventure. Living on the edge of disaster has never been more thrilling. Come on. And surprise. one never knows where everything will crumble. So this uncertainty is the spice of the programmer's life. You want to live on the edge. Like I know Elon Musk say once that being entrepreneur is eating glass down to the abyss. So maybe you want to bring this to your programmer's life, and maybe you're gonna write better code. Who knows? So yeah, so GoHor is the art of balancing the thin line between disaster and genesis. It is a methodology for the brave, for those who look at a piece of code and say, there's a problem for the tomorrow's programmer. Remember, if in the end everything works out, nobody will remember the hacks. Long live GoHor, the methodology that, against all the odds, works until it doesn't. All right, guys. I love this piece. I love this piece. And to be honest, I have to remember you that this is a satire. All right. And I'm going to put the article in the description just for the fun, and I just want to make something fun today. All right. So keep it simple, keep it fast. And this is your PR review.